Hi everyone, today we are going to see a Python program to print even strings within a string. So first, what is meant by an even string? So even string is nothing but a string whose length is a even number. So a string whose length is of 0 or 2 or 4, 6 or 8 characters and so on is said to be an even string. So the program now here is to print out the even strings. So let us go into our program here. So my first input string is going to be Python programming in Jupyter Notebook. So you can give whatever user input you want. So I just gave Python programming in Jupyter Notebook. For this particular string, I will get my output, my expected output will be Python, which is of 6 characters, in, which is of 2 characters, note, which is of 4 characters, and book, which is of 4 characters. So this is my expected output. So then, but how you're going to do this? So for that, first we need to convert the string into a list. So let us convert this to a list. So list underscore string. So to convert the input string into a list, we will be using a function called split. If you are using this function split, it will divide, or it will return you a list wherever you find a spaces. As we are giving a space here, split of space, wherever you find a white space, it will divide the string into a list. So it will return you a list. So if you want, for our reference, we can print it, the list. So list. So now we converted the input string to a list. So what next? So you need to find, for every string within the list, or for every element within the list, find its remainder, find its length, and check the remainder is equal to 0 or not. If it is 0, we will declare it as a even string. So let us give a print for even strings. So we'll go with a for I in list string. So this is our list. We are iterating through the list here. In that, if len of I will be Python programming in Jupyter Notebook, one after the other. So for each element, we will compare it to we will find the remainder and we'll check whether 0 or not. If it is 0, we will try to print I. So now let us run this. So if you could see after this, so the list is Python programming in Jupyter Notebook. So we want the even strings here. So the even strings are Python, which is of 6 characters, in of 2 characters, note of 4 characters, book of 4 characters. If you could observe, there is no programming and Jupyter, because these are all odd strings. Thank you.